This is Kendall, the Awkward Entrepreneur, and I'm coming to you with this video here. Haven't been around for a while, but I still have a desire to share the things that I've been doing over this number of years that I've been a reseller. And this video was going to be based on items that didn't sell, that I didn't sell on eBay, that I sold on other platforms. So many people ask, what are the other viable eBay alternatives? And there's a lot of sites out there that you can sell different things on for good prices, more specialty sites. So I decided to make this video because I was packing the item that I sold on another platform and decided that I was going to go ahead and make a video since I've been lagging on those. But anyway, in the box, there's an amplifier that I sold $300 on another website, AudioGon. And then these two receivers here, I sold, I think one for $140 and the other for $150. And that was also on AudioGon. So just keep in mind that there's a number of different sites. I'm going to go a little more in detail in another video, or maybe a guide on my website that I've been trying to get up. But I'm going to go a little more in detail about different sites, and maybe I'll list them out and tell a little pros and cons about each site, because there's different sites, whether it be clothing or cell phones, audio equipment. I have some other business equipment strategies that I'm going to share eventually. And yeah, there's just a wide variety of buyers out there that don't necessarily buy on eBay. So what I'm going to try to do is, if I can figure out how to splice another video in here, I'm going to go and log in and show you guys, do a little searching and show you guys a couple of other platforms. But if not, I'll do a separate video, or on my website I'll do a write-up on it or something. So that'll be it for now, and I'll talk to you guys later.